Hello, everyone. We're back here at the round table at Pure, and this question is for Dr. Earl.
All right.
For patients looking for just subtle curves, how do you determine if it's better to do a South Beach BBL or just doing a Lipo 360?
Right. So that's a great question. So it really has to do with the hips, basically. So if you want to round out the hips, then we definitely need to be doing some sort of fat transfer to the area. And so here's the thing. Most of the patients that are having their South Beach butt lift are on the lower side in the BMI scale. And for those patients, it's really tough to bring out the curves simply by reducing the waist.
And what are your thoughts on this rib revolution? Is there other options for modifying the waist?
Yes, the rib revolution is really cutting edge, right? And so again, when we have a little bit of our more kind of athletic built patients, there's really only so much fat you can reduce at the waist level. And so then a lot of them are like, I really wish I could get this waist even smaller, right? And so the only other thing that we can do is actually to remodel the ribs, which is different than what people thought in the past. In the past, people were actually removing ribs. I do not recommend that. That's a very morbid procedure with big incisions that are very visible. But nowadays, we can actually just do like a controlled small fracture of the ribs and just bring them in. So we're remodeling the ribs, we're not removing the ribs.
I think that we're seeing great results with that safety-wise and also with the results. So looking forward to seeing what that trend brings.
And my final thought on the BBL versus liposuction alone really depends on what the patient is willing to put into their post-operative recovery, because a BBL, you're signing up for a little bit more in terms of recovery and restrictions and staying off of the fat. So if you're not able to commit to that and you just want to enhance some things, liposuction might be the right option for you. But if you want the full Monty and you want to throw away everything we can at getting you the best shape, we're going to need to do some fat grafting, but you're going to need to stay off your butt afterwards.
That's right.